The beauty world is constantly evolving, with new trends emerging all the time. One trend that has taken social media by storm is dolphin skin. This look is all about achieving a dewy, luminous complexion that mimics the smooth, hydrated skin of a dolphin. Imagine the way light dances off the surface of the water, creating a mesmerizing play of shimmer and reflection. That's the essence of dolphin skin makeup. It's about enhancing your natural radiance and achieving a healthy, hydrated glow that looks fresh and effortless. This trend is all about embracing a more natural, luminous look, moving away from heavy contouring and matte finishes. Get ready to dive into the world of dolphin skin and discover the secrets to achieving this coveted look. Before you even think about reaching for your makeup, remember that achieving flawless dolphin skin starts with a solid skincare routine. It's not just about the products you use, but also about the consistency and care you put into your regimen. A well-maintained skincare routine can make all the difference in how your makeup looks and feels on your skin. Think of your skin as a canvas. The smoother and more hydrated it is, the better your makeup will look. Hydration is key to achieving that dewy, fresh look that dolphin skin is known for. When your skin is well moisturized, it creates a perfect base for makeup application, allowing it to glide on effortlessly and stay put throughout the day. Begin by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities or makeup residue. Cleansing is the first and most crucial step in any skincare routine. It helps to clear away dirt, oil, and pollutants that can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. A clean face is the best starting point for any skincare or makeup application. Follow up with a toner to balance your skin's pH levels and prep it for the next steps in your routine. Toners can also help to tighten your pores and add an extra layer of hydration. They are essential for ensuring that your skin is ready to absorb the benefits of the products that follow. Exfoliation is also crucial for removing dead skin cells and revealing a brighter, smoother complexion. Regular exfoliation can help to prevent clogged pores and promote cell turnover, giving your skin a fresh, rejuvenated appearance. Just be sure to choose an exfoliant that suits your skin type to avoid irritation. Don't forget about your eyes. The delicate skin around your eyes can benefit from a hydrating eye cream to plump up fine lines and reduce any dark circles. Eye creams are specially formulated to address the unique needs of this sensitive area, providing targeted hydration and anti-aging benefits. Remember, a well-prepped canvas is the foundation for achieving a flawless dolphin skin look. Taking the time to properly care for your skin not only enhances your natural beauty, but also ensures that your makeup looks its best. With a consistent skincare routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving that coveted dolphin skin glow. Once your skin is clean and prepped, it's time to layer on the hydration. This is a crucial step in achieving that dewy, luminous finish that defines dolphin skin makeup. Start by applying a hydrating serum that suits your skin type. Look for serums with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which attracts and retains moisture, leaving your skin feeling plump and hydrated. Next, apply a hydrating primer to create a smooth and even base for your makeup. A good primer will help to fill in any fine lines or pores, creating a flawless canvas for your foundation. Choose a primer with light-reflecting particles to enhance your natural glow. When it comes to dolphin skin, less is definitely more. Heavy, full-coverage foundations are a no-go, as they can mask your natural radiance and create a cakey, unnatural finish. Instead, opt for a lightweight, luminous foundation or a tinted moisturizer. The goal is to even out your skin tone and create a sheer veil of coverage, allowing your natural skin to peek through. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone perfectly, and apply it with a damp beauty sponge or a fluffy brush for a seamless finish. Remember to blend well, especially around the edges of your face and along your jawline to avoid any harsh lines. The key is to create a natural, your skin but better look that enhances your features without masking them. Section 5. Strategic Shimmer, Highlighter Placement for that dewy glow. Highlighter is your secret weapon for achieving the signature dewy glow of dolphin skin makeup. This technique is all about creating a luminous, radiant finish that looks effortlessly natural. The key is to apply it strategically to the high points of your face, where light naturally hits. These areas include your cheekbones, brow bones, the bridge of your nose, and the inner corners of your eyes. Think of it as mimicking the way sunlight catches the curves of a dolphin as it glides through the water. This natural reflection is what gives the Dolphin its beautiful, dewy appearance. Apply a liquid or cream highlighter to your cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of your nose. These products blend seamlessly into the skin, providing a more natural glow. Don't forget the inner corners of your eyes and your Cupid's bow. These small touches can make a big difference in brightening your overall look. Use a light hand and blend well for a seamless, natural-looking glow. Overdoing it can make the highlighter look too harsh, so subtlety is key. You can also add a touch of highlighter to the center of your eyelids for a brightening effect. This trick can make your eyes appear larger and more awake. Avoid applying highlighter to areas where you tend to get oily, such as your forehead or chin. These areas can reflect too much light and make your skin look greasy rather than dewy. Remember, the goal is to achieve a balanced, radiant look. By focusing on the high points and avoiding oily zones, you can create a beautiful, dewy finish that enhances your natural beauty. Section 6. A flush of color. Dewy blush for a natural radiance. To complete your dolphin skin look, add a touch of color to your cheeks with a dewy blush. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and apply it to the apples of your cheeks, blending upwards towards your temples. Cream or liquid blushes work best for this trend, as they create a natural, dewy finish that blends seamlessly into the skin. Avoid using powder blushes, as they can look too matte and powdery on the skin, detracting from the overall dewy effect. Remember, the goal is to create a natural-looking flush that enhances your complexion, not overpower it. Start with a small amount, and build up the intensity gradually until you achieve your desired look. Section 7. Setting the Look Hydrating Spray for long-lasting freshness. Once you've achieved your desired level of dewiness, it's time to set your makeup and ensure it lasts all day long. But instead of reaching for a matte setting powder, which can dull your glow, opt for a hydrating setting spray. A hydrating setting spray will not only lock in your makeup, but also provide an extra boost of moisture, keeping your skin feeling fresh and hydrated throughout the day. Look for sprays with ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid, which attract and retain moisture. Hold the bottle about arm's length away from your face and mist your skin evenly. Allow the spray to dry completely before heading out the door. Your dolphin skin makeup is now complete and you're ready to glow. Section 8. Achieving the dolphin skin look. A summary. Achieving the coveted dolphin skin look is all about embracing a dewy, luminous complexion that mimics the smooth, hydrated skin of a dolphin. It's a celebration of natural radiance and a departure from heavy contouring and matte finishes. Remember to start with a solid skincare routine, focusing on hydration and exfoliation. Choose lightweight, luminous makeup products that enhance your natural beauty without masking it. Strategic highlighter placement and a touch of dewy blush will give you that lit-from-within glow. Finally, set your makeup with a hydrating spray to keep your skin feeling fresh and hydrated all day long. Embrace your natural beauty and dive into the world of dolphin skin. Section 9. Product picks and customizing the trend. Your guide to glowing skin. In this section, we'll dive deep into the world of dolphin skin makeup, a trend that has taken the beauty community by storm. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, these tips and product recommendations will help you achieve that coveted, radiant glow. While the basic principles of dolphin skin makeup remain the same, you can customize the trend to suit your individual skin type and preferences. This means you can tweak the products and techniques to match your unique skin needs, ensuring that your makeup not only looks good but also feels comfortable throughout the day. Here are a few product recommendations and tips for achieving your perfect dolphin skin look. Remember, the key to this trend is to create a fresh, dewy finish that mimics the natural luminosity of a dolphin's skin. For dry skin, look for hydrating serums and primers with hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or squalane. These ingredients are known for their ability to attract and retain moisture, keeping your skin plump and hydrated. Applying a good hydrating base will ensure that your makeup goes on smoothly and stays put without flaking or caking. Opt for a luminous foundation with a dewy finish, and layer a hydrating facial oil underneath for an extra boost of moisture. This combination will give your skin a radiant glow from within, making it look healthy and vibrant. Don't forget to blend well to avoid any harsh lines or patches. For oily skin, don't shy away from the dolphin skin trend. You can still achieve a glowing look without looking greasy. Use a mattifying primer in your T-zone to control oil production and opt for a lightweight, oil-free foundation. This will help keep shine at bay while still allowing your natural glow to come through. A good setting powder can also be your best friend to lock everything in place. Choose a liquid or gel highlighter that won't emphasize pores or texture. These formulas blend seamlessly into the skin, giving you a natural-looking radiance without drawing attention to any imperfections. For all skin types, experiment with different highlighter shades to find one that complements your skin tone. The right highlighter can make a world of difference, adding dimension and a healthy glow to your complexion. Champagne and pearl shades work well for fair skin tones, while gold and bronze shades look stunning on deeper complexions. Don't be afraid to mix and match to find your perfect shade. Remember, makeup is a form of self-expression, so have fun with it. Play around with different looks and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to experiment with different products and techniques to find what works best for you. The beauty of makeup is that it's all about trial and error, so take your time to discover what makes you feel most confident and beautiful. Embrace your natural beauty and let your inner glow shine through. At the end of the day, the best makeup look is one that makes you feel like the best version of yourself.